Now, if you don't know where to start with creating your services, you're in luck. With Ignition's new Service AI tool, you will now be able to quickly craft your service descriptions to effectively communicate your value, give clients clarity, and save time. So let's just jump right into a quick demo. Now, if you're not sure where to start, a really good place to start is in your proposal provided templates. Now, one template that I usually recommend clients take a look at is Ryan Lazanis's Future Firm 3-tiered options. Now, Ryan Lazanis created this template as a subscription model. So he lays out these services in 3 different tiers: gold, silver, and bronze. And how he presents his services is he has the very first plan or package in a little description here. And then he kind of discloses all the scope in each one of those services laid out like this. So if you're not sure where to start, this is a really great spot. And scrolling down, you can see that Ryan Lazanis also has included accounting technology subscriptions for Xero and Dex. He explains that your plan includes the monthly software subscriptions for Xero, your cloud ledger, and also Dex, which is a receipt capture software. So there's plenty of proposal templates that you could take a look at here as a great place to start. If you're not sure where to start, this is where you'll start. If you want to start creating your own services, you can go under services, and Ignition has just recently released a way for you to see all your services that are missing a description. So as you see here, I have 7 services that are missing a description. I'm going to go ahead and click View Services. And you can see I have some advisory, I have some accounting, admin, CFO, and also software subscription services. Now, with Ignition's AI tool, the more specific you are in your service name, the more descriptive the description will be. So let's go ahead and click into this advisory service and click Add. You can see here that I've listed out what those general advisory services are. Now, to the right, you'll see Suggest Description. If you click on Suggest Description, this is our new AI tool. It's going to generate a service description based on the service name. And there's going to be a few options for you to refine this service description. You can elaborate it, you can simplify it, you can also shorten it. Now, if you don't like what you see here, you can also regenerate another service description. But I like what I see here. I'm going to go ahead and click Use, and I'm just going to go in and make some minor edits to make it look more presentable. Now, if you don't like what you see here, or if you want to incorporate some additional information, you can always copy and paste what you see in the service description and paste it into a program like ChatGPT to refine it even more. But I like what I see here, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And within one click, you now have that service description ready to go, ready to use in your proposals.